Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever scrolled through social media, you've probably seen a million headlines promising instant wealth. Get rich quick. Become a millionaire overnight. Sound familiar? But what if I told you there's a real, tangible path to significantly boosting your financial well-being in just a few months? Not through magic, but through smart strategy. Forget the lottery tickets and the overnight hype. We're talking about a focused, actionable approach that countless successful individuals have used. And yes, while rich is subjective, I am going to share the mindset and methods that can genuinely put you on an accelerated path towards financial abundance faster than you might think possible. This is on about becoming a billionaire in 90 days. That's unrealistic. But it is about setting yourself up for incredible financial growth in a short time frame. So, what's this only way I'm hinting at? It boils down to 3 core pillars, and they work synergistically. First, high income. Skills, This is absolutely non-negotiable. Instead of focusing on jobs that pay hourly for your time, identify and master skills that directly contribute to high-value problems in the market. Think digital marketing, advanced coding, sales closing, content creation with a strategic purpose, or even specialized consulting. These aren't just skills, they're revenue generators. Dedicate the next few months to intensely learning and applying 1 or 2 of these. Online courses, mentors, self-study. Go all in. Second, leverage and scalability. Once you have that high-income skill, how do you make it work for you beyond just trading time for money? This means creating systems, building an audience, or developing products that can serve many people without requiring you to be physically present for every transaction. Think about turning your skill into a service, an online course, a digital product, or even a specialized agency. This is where your income potential truly explodes. You're no longer limited by the hours in your day. And the third, most crucial pillar, relentless execution and consistency. Having the skill and the idea is just 10% of the bottle. The other 90% is showing up every single day, taking consistent action, learning from your mistakes, and adapting. It's about putting in the work, even when you dare to feel like it, and pushing past the initial hurdles. This isn't a passive process. It requires deep focus and sustained effort. So while rich in a few months might sound like a pipe dream, understanding and applying these 3 pillars, high-income skills, leverage, and consistent execution is undeniably the fastest and most reliable path to achieving significant financial growth. And freedom in a genuinely short period. It takes dedication, but the results can be life-changing. What high-income skill are you thinking of pursuing? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this empowering, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more actionable insights, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and let's build that future together.